Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include satellite radio, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2013 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.